Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fivetran to sync data into BigQuery, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Fivetran to sync data into BigQuery, start by logging into your Fivetran account. Once logged in, navigate to the Connectors section found in the dashboard. Click on the Add Connector button to begin the setup process. From the list of available connectors, select the data source you wish to sync with BigQuery. Follow the prompts to authenticate your chosen data source. Provide the necessary credentials to establish the connection. After successful authentication, configure the connector settings according to your preferences. You'll need to specify the destination for the data sync, which in this case is BigQuery. Select BigQuery as your destination and connect your Google Cloud account. Grant Fivetran the necessary permissions to access your BigQuery project. Once connected, specify the dataset within BigQuery where you want your data to reside. Review your settings carefully to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the settings, click the Save button to finalize the connector setup. Fivetran will now begin the initial sync, which may take some time depending on the amount of data. Monitor the sync progress from the dashboard to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. Once the initial sync is complete, check BigQuery to verify that the data has been uploaded correctly. You can now schedule regular syncs to keep your data updated in real time. That concludes the activation process for syncing data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.